Hello guys, today I'm going to show you very little tutorial. Today I'm going to remove kick sound in a song when you using virtual DJ. So this is very small thing. You can use this option called stems. This very small option. Now you can select stems here. Then add your song. Let's play. Now you can hear kick sound in a song. Just click on this, then kick sound definitely gone. It's very easy for you. If you cannot see this option, when you use in starter mode, you cannot see this option. You have to use essential mode or pro mode or performance mode, but easy skin is pro mode. I think you will understand what I said in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video, and guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon right corner. Thank you.